We're joined with the founder and GP of Delta Blockchain Fund, Ms. Kavita Gupta. Kavita, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Arunima, for having me.
Awesome. So I recently saw a CNBC interview of yours where you said you're long on blockchain, but crypto prices have been fluctuating lately. So do you think this is just a shakeout or actual market sentiment has been it, given we're looking at a regulatory gray area when it comes to crypto in India? What are your thoughts?
I think we started seeing the cascading effect of Luna initially, and then Luna going down to Encourage Protocol, going down to multi-billion dollars liquidation from various different funds, and then DeFi Celsius. So we now have come to a point where people have started realizing the final extent or maximum extent of whatever we have lost. And so suddenly last 2-3 days, you see the prices going up a little bit. Do I see... But at the end of the day, it is a speculative game. As I said, I'm long on blockchain as a technology. I believe that the crypto prices are the individual speculation game. I never love to do it as an institution. Do I personally do it? I do it. But do I give a financial advice on when to buy and when to sell? I don't. Said that, I don't think crypto winter bottom is yet here. I do still expect the winter bottom to come. I don't think it's going to be pretty picture at the end of this year or early next year. Said that, I think people who come into the space, the glamour is all about making money out of it. But then you need to know your risk and return.
Absolutely. And it's a very valid point that you touched upon. This is your third crypto winter and this is my first. So I hope you wish me luck. But very recently, our finance minister, Ms. Nirmala Sitharaman, talked about how crypto might be banned by the RBI. So what are your thoughts on that? How do you think that will impact the industry in India?
I mean, the amount of taxes they are collecting, they should just completely open it up, man. This is like a profitable business at this point of time. If they want to continue to give subsidy in every other sector, especially petrol and diesel, they should make money out of crypto and give subsidy at the level. Like, that would be a smart government for me. But I can also understand that they want to make sure that there is whatever the bad actors they are trying to control happens. But I think it would be a sad day for a country if they're going to ban crypto, because that doesn't mean that people are not going to do it. That just means people are going to figure out a way to do it outside the country without paying their dues to the country. And I don't think that's what the innovation achievement is.
Correct. I think the last thing we want is a black market crypto suddenly manifesting. So you talked about how a bear market is the best time for to build technology, right? So do you think India has the potential to become a blockchain superpower eventually?
I think it's already on the path. Look at the products which we have put into the market, right? Every big DeFi company wants to have an India lead. Every big infrastructure company, every big NFT platform wants to have an India lead. Like, the opportunities in the blockchain industry within the country is huge. Look at your exchange. You don't even know if government is going to ban it. You guys have a unicorn valuation already, right? Because the rest of the world believes in a product out of India for India, right? So I believe that we don't see that going out. It's just going to be, I don't want the country to be at a place where Indians are just paying in Dubai to get the same benefits.
Right, that would be absolutely tragic. And we have a few rapid fire questions for you.
You're becoming Karan Johar now.
All I need is a coffee.
I want the coffee though.
So where is
Bitcoin? Yeah, where's the hamper?
Shivam, hamper down. So where is Bitcoin headed? Very quickly.
I think towards the winter for next couple of months or a quarter, but we do see a new all-time high happening in 2 years.
Got it. And what are your tips for bear market investors?
Learn. This is the best time to learn about the industry. If you are putting your hard-earned money into it, also know the risk associated with it instead of blaming it to the government or the exchanges. They didn't come and tell you, give us your money, or they didn't put a gun on your shoulder and said, move your money from your bank account to this. I mean, learn the risk and be an informative investor.
Awesome. And what comes to your mind when you think of crypto?
What comes to mind when I think of crypto? A lot of layer 1s and layer 2s and really bad valuations.
Final thoughts. Why should women invest in Web3 and crypto?
Financial independence. My dad, my brothers, like nobody in my family have any idea what my net worth value is, which is impossible when you have bank accounts and they have your checkbooks.
Amazing.
It's a true financial independence.
And on that note, thank you, Kavita, for your time. This is truly enlightening.
Thank you. I need my hamper now.
Okay. It's on its way.